Okay, heels together, feet making a V shape. Hands resting comfortably behind. And chin down, gently stretching the back of the neck. Center, chin up. Center, chin down. Center and up. And center, looking over the shoulder, gently stretching. Center, turn. Center. Center, turn. And center, ear towards the shoulder. Center. 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 And center. Stepping out, feet shoulder width. Lifting the sky. Lifting the palms, turning the palms up, big stretch and release. And release. Release. And release. And side stretches. Just can't seem to get the right angle today. Anyway, side stretches. Big stretch and hold. Change sides. Change. Change. Hands down. Bending the bow. Release. 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 And release. Swinging the weight. and reverse. Once more. Back to the center, rise up. Heels together. Lifting the arms. Palms running down the back of the legs. Stretch and hold, relax into the stretch, keep breathing. We'll hold this for a few breaths. And bend the knees, rise up slowly. Stepping out wide, sinking into the horse stance, left hand forward, breathe in. Punch and then breathe out. Hold the breath while punching. Hands back and down. Feet back to shoulder width. Bending back, breathing out in 7 short breaths. Knees off lock to start. Big breath in. Rising up when you're ready and bend forward. And rising up again. And we'll have a little shake out there again.